first, thanks for coming. I think this morning will be a very good session for all of us.
Because there's three palettes, okay. You want to scoop it there, add water, right? It acts the same as watercolor. Okay, I read through the slides lah. Okay, now it's like I'm part of the family. This one, right? The light fastness able to last much longer than those.
Values that guided us for the long 260 years. Entrepreneurial and responsible. What we want to promote now, not only in Singapore, but we want to campaign art for all. So I think you're very lucky, all of you start early, that you're holding the pencils, because there are already research that show writing you could prevent dementia. Journey, but you can cut it short, so that you don't have a long, let's say not painful but enjoyable journey to learn that, but you can immediately shortcut it by listening from our art expert. But we are very loyal to the pencils. And then we are the largest pencil producer in the world, 2.3 billion pencils per year. If you want to imagine it, because artists are very imaginative, put a pencil one to each other, we can reach from the earth to the moon. Or we can put it together, we can go around the world, 6-7 times, something like that. This is what we produce for the year. So we are by far the largest. 8,000 employees worldwide. 1,000 in Germany, which is also a bit rare, because in Germany normally it's a small, medium-sized company. It's very rare to have such a lot of these employees. Sales office in 23 countries.
So this will actually make it not so sharply defined. Yeah, and this is the style that some